I'm going to do the first one with you guys, and then you guys will do the rest. So number 1 says, I blank baseball yesterday. So I'm going to either choose played or playing. Well, I'm going to look at my word here, and it's a keyword that says yesterday. So I know that happened in the past. And if I think back to what Mr. Schaefer told us about the suffix that we put that tells us it's in the past, then I would remember that it's the ed that happened in the past. So I would drag the word played right here. So I played baseball yesterday. That sounds pretty good. So I'm going to drag my circle around the word played. I played baseball yesterday. Perfect.